So what's up, you guys? It is Friday. Good morning to y'all. Hope y'all having a good morning. It is like 7 something in the morning. Just woke up, brushed my teeth, showered. Took my brothers to school. My brother and my sister. Right now we're driving to work. So I'm gonna be giving you guys story time. As you guys can see, I am finally in the truck again. Thank God I am. I am finally in the truck, driving it to work. Felt like I needed to bring it out to some. Sorry, there's a big rig coming out. That just sounds like it's a LS swap. I wonder if it is. It's a RX-8, lowered wide wheels. Looks like he has his fenders flared out. Sounds V8 swap. Let's see. I don't know, but he looked Japanese, so who knows? But yeah, guys, finally back into the truck. I will be getting it ready for CTI of 2020. I got 6 months to do it. I'm gonna need to get a whole lot of shit for this truck. I need to get the hood, the fenders, the bumpers, a side panel because I cracked it, and a whole lot of stuff for the inside since they broke into my truck. I'll talk to you guys once I get to work. So I'm here at work. We're here. The RX-8 was LS swapped. He told me he had a 5.3 in it, and it was fully built. That sounded clean, dude. If we could find his Instagram, let me know. I would like to find out more about that build. It looked pretty clean. I like LS swap builds. There's gonna be coming one. There's one coming out pretty goddamn soon. And I know you guys are gonna love it. It is clean. Just hold on and wait. I know I've been saying it since the last videos I uploaded, but this one's gonna be motherfucking clean. So I'm here at work. I have to go tech screw some sheet to our gate. I have to paint them, and I have to build 2 gates right here. We're just waiting for the delivery from Paddens to drop off the material. We're gonna be getting that material done. And here, we're gonna be unloading it, getting it done. Then I'll bring it over here, cut it up, make our 2 gates. It's a 20-something, 19 feet opening that we're gonna have to do. So, I'll keep you guys, throughout the whole video, throughout the whole day. I mean, the whole video too. So I'm gonna be recording everything. Hope you guys enjoy something different. I'm here at work. If you guys like me recording things like this, I'll keep doing it. Just let me know down in the comments. Let me share, like, and subscribe. It'll help me out. Just starting. So this is just painted this, you guys. I already had old paint right there. This is what it looked like if I did it the right way, but we just want to use this as like camouflage, I guess, and to cover some of the gate right here, cover more over there. So that's what we're doing. This is the gate we built. Yeah, this is how it looked. See how it just peels off? I peeled off a lot right here, right now. So just painted this half, just what you're gonna see. And yeah. Well, I got the gate done over there. The entry, I got it done. I textured that thing in there that you guys see me painting. I painted it. It looks good. Now I'm gonna get back to making 2 gates for this customer. And it's like a 20 or 19 feet opening that we're gonna be doing. So I gotta make 2 gates at 111 inches. And you guys are gonna see me cut it real quick. I'm gonna be cutting it. I'm gonna be framing it. I'm gonna be making just the frame because the top takes an arch. We do not have a roller here at the shop yet. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll be giving you guys that story time I told you guys earlier, around maybe 5 today. I'm gonna get a quote. Let me see this real quick. I'm gonna get a quote on to see how much it is to paint my truck. Do all that body work. Do all the body work. The quote for the paint, for the clear coat, for all that shit, all in one. I'm gonna be doing that to it. I'm gonna be getting that done today. I'm gonna be driving it through the car wash, get it ready for the weekend. I might take it to LA, to Universal Studios with my lady. We might be going. Oh, we are going. Just, I don't know if we're going her car or my car or my truck. So yeah, stay tuned, you guys. So you guys, I want to go measure right now the openings, and I want to go look at the measurements. I'm gonna have just enough material to make this gate. Well, to make 2 bottoms, which is 111 and 3/4. I got 2 bottoms already made. I'm gonna need 3 more uprights, and I gotta just frame this shit, tack it all up, and then we're done. I can't do the arch that's gonna take on top. My truck does not have a tow hitch to. My truck does not have a tow hitch to take out there to the roller, the guy that does our rolling. So I can't take it. So that's gonna be oops. That's gonna be for today. Oh, for this stuff, and then just organizing since we're moving in still. I'll just bring you guys along all day, see what you guys think. Just remember, measure twice, cut once. This should just stop working. Let me go see. The breaker shut off. We got the breaker going back on. I'm gonna finish all the cutting I gotta do over there. I'll finish all the cutting I gotta do over there, and then I'll get back to you guys once I get ready to frame it all up. The welder, gas. Yo, so I'm here at the car wash. right here. So right here. You know the dealio. This guy looks like he hates his job. There we go. I ain't gonna be doing this shit when my truck's painted. Fuck that shit. God damn. The fuck? My goddamn windshield wipers, man. Oh, hell nah. These blowers better motherfucking blow this shit out of this truck, cause I got a lot of trash in the bed. Got most of the trash out. This shit didn't really clean it. It cleaned this side, not this side. Alrighty, well, I got the truck washed. I'm gonna just stay in here and talk to you guys about what happened to the truck. Put them windows down, fuck it. Alright, so what had happened was I heard this little noise coming from the motor in the truck. I got worried. I stopped using it for a couple weeks. A couple weeks went by. I kept worrying and trying to figure out what it was. And then my heater core started leaking. It leaked all inside of the truck where the carpet's at. It leaked all in here. I kind of got bummed out. Smelled like coolant in here for a long time. Then I fixed the heater core. I thought it was a thermostat making the noise, which I don't think thermostats make noise. But I changed that out, changed the heater core. Everything was fine. A week went by, and the noise was still there. And then the heater core started leaking again. The line busted. The fuck? The line ripped apart, blew apart. So that's what happened with my heater core. Then I just called up the mechanic that did my motor. I still have warranty on it. I was like, hey dude, I'm hearing this weird noise from the motor. Can you guys fix it? I still got warranty. The seals are still on there and everything. And can you fix my heater core? It fucking busted. Well, it didn't bust, but the line did, because I had put the new heater core in there. And then from there, I fixed it. The guy fixed it. He had to do some adjustments to the lifters and all that stuff that's under the valve cover. Fixed my heater core, and all he really did was just charge me for the heater core, the line, and his labor. He did the oil change, checked it, everything, he adjusted it, fucking great service. He fixed it, which I'm really happy he did. So now I just gotta paint the truck, make it show ready, and do the damn interior. Oh, and I didn't tell you guys. I forgot to mention that they broke into the truck. That's what I was gonna tell you guys as well. I'm driving home already, but I was gonna tell you guys they broke into the truck, stole my stereo, fucked up all my interior. Looks horrible. That's why probably in the last clip when we're at the car wash, you seen my stereo gone. Wires coming out. Everything's fucked inside the truck. The whole carpet's messed up. The whole carpet's messed up because of the heater core, the leakage. And then the fucking, whatchamacallit? They broke into it. What the fuck? Burnt down Suburban. Out in the fucking street. What the fuck? So yeah, the leakage happened, fucked up my whole carpet. They broke into my truck, stole my stereo, fucked up my dash, fucked up my fucking door handles, and just fucked everything in general, which kind of pisses me off. I don't get why people do so bad to good people. Yeah, guys, so it's no truck mayhem for us too. Sorry I switched the subject. Just, I know you guys are gonna be asking. No truck mayhem for me this year. I got things to take care of. I got bills to pay. I gotta get my truck ready, at least with new parts, not paint, but new parts. And yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm home. What the fuck was that? I'll catch you guys when I'm home. And I'll end the video there. I just got home. I will catch you guys on the next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was decent. And just like, share, and subscribe, and I appreciate y'all. Make sure to just stay tuned for bigger things coming.